1, 2,
3,
4,
5, 6.
Hello, and welcome to Sam on Salmon. Today we're going to start by talking about where you can find these ingredients. At your local grocery store, you'll want to go and pick up a couple fillets of salmon. You'll need mustard, preferably Dijon, blue cheese dressing, pineapple, pepper, salt, brown sugar, and a bottle of wine. The Pinot Noir will suit this quite well. A couple leaves of lettuce, and some lime juice. Okay, let's get started. First off, take your salmon fillet, and after washing and drying it under cold water, you want to lay it down on the cutting board. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of seasoning. Actually, quite a bit of seasoning. You'll want to salt and pepper it first. Here's the pepper. Salt. Brown sugar. The brown sugar can get pretty sticky, so you're going to want to rub it in there. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. And then finally the Dijon mustard. Give it a good spread across the length of the salmon. And then rub it in. You'll want to coat the whole body of the salmon, top and bottom. Next, you throw it on the pan, and you should have already put your oven to preheat to broil. Then, after you stick it in the oven, pull it out 20 minutes later. Around 20 minutes, you'll want to watch it because salmon can burn very quickly, and then you'll have this. Set it down, let it cool. This dish does not have to be served hot, so it is okay to serve it cold. Let it cool. Maybe you want to chill it. Not have to wait around. Wash a couple leaves of lettuce. Here we have it. Dry them. Set them out on a plate. Then take a cup pineapple. Cut it up. We have it diced here, as you can see. Then you'll want to lay out the salmon on your leaves of lettuce and surround them with the pineapple, like so. You want to serve this dish with a blue cheese dressing. It's going to make the salmon a combination of sweet and tangy, and the blue cheese just gives it this really fabulous taste. And there you have the meal. Finally, top it off. Complement it with a glass of the Pinot Noir. This is a really light red wine, and it's got a sweet taste to it, which goes perfectly with the salmon and the pineapple recipe, making it a very exotic dish and one that is quite delicious. So, there you have it. Do you have any questions for me?
What other kind of seasonings could you use?
Well, you could throw in maybe a little cilantro onto the salmon while you're cooking it. You don't just have to cook it in the oven. You could also put it on the cedar plank that you soak in water for about 2 hours before putting it on the oven to grill. And do you have anything else? Would you?
What other wines could you serve with it?
Actually, salmon's a very diverse fish. You can serve it anything basically except with a Chardonnay. It was recommended by matchingfoodandwine.com. That's matchingfoodandwine.com. They have very many recommendations for serving food with wine.